Welcome to this video on the power paradigm, LiFePO4 versus conventional lithium-ion. We'll explore the key differences between these two battery chemistries. Engineers must choose between trade-offs, not perfect solutions. LiFePO4 prioritizes safety, longevity, and stability. Conventional lithium-ion focuses on high energy density and compact size. The chemical foundation dictates performance. Conventional lithium-ion uses materials like LCO, NMC, or NCA to maximize energy. LiFePO4 uses lithium iron phosphate, prioritizing structural stability. Thermal stability is a major difference. Conventional lithium-ion cells are susceptible to thermal issues and risk thermal runaway. LiFePO4 cells remain chemically stable and resist overheating and fire, even under stress. Conventional lithium-ion offers high energy density, storing more energy per unit of weight and volume, fitting tight spaces. LiFePO4 has a lower energy density, requiring more physical space for the same power, but is sufficient for stationary setups. Conventional lithium-ion delivers quick bursts of power and higher total energy storage. LiFePO4 handles higher discharge rates and maintains stable voltage over time, sacrificing slight energy capacity for consistent output. Lifespan and durability differ significantly. Conventional lithium-ion lasts 500 to 1,000 charge cycles. LiFePO4 can withstand 2,000 to 5,000 cycles, outlasting multiple conventional replacements. The economics of long-term storage favor LiFePO4 for high-cycle applications, despite a higher upfront cost. Its extended lifespan drives down the cost per cycle, making it more cost-effective over time compared to conventional lithium-ion. This power matrix summarizes the key features. LiFePO4 excels in thermal safety, voltage stability, and cycle life. Conventional lithium-ion has better energy density and a lower upfront cost. Conventional lithium-ion is best for compact devices and electric vehicles, where lightweight design and space limits are critical. LiFePO4 is ideal for solar, home backup, off-grid storage, and RVs, demanding extreme safety and longevity. The final rule of installation is to match the chemistry to the environment. Choose conventional lithium-ion for compact spaces and quick power, and LiFePO4 for safety, durability, and long-term stationary storage.